Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Russ and I drive my 2024 Subaru Forester Sport. And the word sport is important here because the question is the Subaru Forester Sport sporty enough? And it's always hard to answer this in a positive way because the previous generation of the Subaru Forester, the fourth gen, had the XT package where you basically had a turbo and it was faster 0 to 60 than anything from the fifth gen. So yeah, obviously the Subaru Forester, especially the sport trim, could benefit from a turbo, but Subaru decided, we don't need it. But yeah, I think this car would definitely benefit from a turbo, or at least give us that option. And I don't know, maybe put it on sport trim, the one, that has the word sport in it. But yeah, it doesn't have it. On its own, don't get me wrong, you're not gonna have any issues merging. This car has plenty of power, 182 horsepower, 176 pound-feet of torque. So it does feel pretty gutsy, and the response from the throttle is very direct. The moment you press it, like 0 to 40, you're not gonna have any issues. It just goes, especially at those speeds, really quickly. So you're not gonna have any issues with, it being unsafely slow, anything like that. But for the enthusiasts, and sometimes, let's just be honest, most of us do like to have a little bit of spirited driving and have some fun, and actually, yeah, merge in a faster way, because you look in your mirror and you see a car approaching, and it'd be nice to just press the throttle all the way in, and then boom, you're in that lane and you're safe instead of just waiting for the car to pick up speed. But yeah, Subaru Forester for the 5th gen completely dropped the turbo, and on the 6th gen, the latest Subaru Forester, you only have the hybrid, and it's a shame because they do have that engine. They just hide it in the Subaru Outback, where you could still get the turbo, and I believe it's like 260 horsepower or something like that. But yeah, imagine how fun that would be if they had this in the Forester. And I guess you can only imagine. At the end of the day, yes, I drive a Subaru Forester Sport, but it's 95% an appearance package. Yes, you get a better looking interior in my view. You get those orange trim pieces, which are controversial. Not everybody likes them, but I do like them. And of course, let's not forget about the stainless steel exhaust tip. That makes all the difference, I'm pretty sure. You don't get the dual exhaust tips, which you get on some models in Japanese market, but yeah, at least they give you that stainless steel tip on the end of your exhaust pipe, which is wow. This car could have been way sportier, and it's a shame that it's one of those things that never happened and never will. But yeah, still, great car, love it. But I wish it was a little sportier. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.